Hi friends, today's topic is power amplifier. So this is a one type of amplifier. So this power amplifier we use in a communication and broadcasting systems. So this power amplifier is used for increasing the power level of the input signal. So first of all we discuss the power transistors. So power transistors is mainly different from the normal transistors. So normal transistor can be used for the increasing the voltage level of the small signal. So here a power transistor is used for the increasing the power level of the signal, input signal. So usually these power transistor have larger in size than the normal transistor. Here you can see these are the normal transistor. So these transistor smaller in size and power transistor is larger in size, and these power transistor have heat sinks. You can see here heat sinks. So normal transistor doesn't have these heat sinks. So why it is have heat sink? Because of high current flowing inside the collector and base region. So that's why in this region we have the heat sink to minimize the developing heat inside the junction. So next, and emitter region and base regions are heavily doped in the power transistor. Emitter region and base region are heavily doped. Collector region is larger in size because large current flowing inside the collector region. So in normal transistor, moderately doped and moderately size. So next, so these are the figures of normal and power transistors. So here I already tell these ones. So next, due to low input resistance, it requires low input power. So in the input regions, it has low resistance. That's why it requires low input power. Next, power amplifier. So power amplifier is nothing but it is a device. So here these device can be used for the increasing the power level of the input signal. So why we need these power amplifier? So some of the loads, for example, load speakers and other devices, so required high power. So that's why we use power amplifier. So in this reason. So this is the communications block diagram. So here we use microphones. So these microphones is convert the sound energy to electrical energy. So these electrical signals means output of the microphones is called electrical signals. So these electrical signals is very weak. So here we need uh, to amplify these signals. So that's why we use voltage amplifiers. So these voltage amplifiers is increase the voltage level of the input signal, or these voltage amplifier converts the weak signal into strong signal. So here we have two voltage amplifier. So that's why it's called multi-stage amplifiers. So these multi-stage amplifier have high gain. So that's why the weak signal is converted into very high signal, high voltage signals. So after that we have a power amplifier. So here the output of the multi-stage amplifier. So here output of the multi-stage amplifier have low power. So that's why here we use power amplifier because of the load requires high power. So that's why we use power amplifier. So other definition for power amplifier is DC is, so it is a device, it converts DC power input to AC power input. It's called power amplifier. Or This power amplifier converts DC signal into DC power into AC power. Next, types of amplifiers. There are three types of amplifiers: Class A power amplifier, Class B power amplifier, and Class C power amplifier, and other names: Class A push pull amplifier, Class B push pull amplifier, and Class AB push pull amplifier. So in the voltage amplifier, we have a gain AV. So AV means output voltage. It is the ratio of output voltage by input voltage. Is called voltage gain. So this voltage gain can be commonly used in the voltage amplifier. But here power amplifier, the power gain is equal to output power. It is the ratio of output power by input power. P out by P in. So it is a power gain. So in next video we discuss the Class A power amplifier, Class B power amplifier in the next video. Thank you.